Yo.
Hey guys. Hey guys. So, it is 3 in the morning and it's the day before school. I kind of just want to throw myself off a bridge just by saying that. And I'm up so late because my mom had to finish my hair and my head really hurts. So that's really cute. Yeah, that's my life story. So I think I just saw a ghost in my room. So that's really cool. Hi. Okay, I'm done. I'm done filming this. I felt like I heard somebody whisper my name. Okay, I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Help me. I can't sleep. It's 5:30. I can't sleep. I can already see the first day not going well. So, my nails are cute though. That's all that matters. Chanka, wake up! It's time for the first day of school, and you have to get ready. I'm such a helpful sister. Yeah. Time to get ready, losers. I didn't film this, but I did a face mask and I peeled it off already, and there's still stuff on my face, so I'm gonna wipe it off. And now we're gonna do my makeup. I am doing my no makeup look. If you haven't watched that video, it's up in the eye. Usually for me, the first couple of weeks of school is not bad, like at all. And then once the work really starts piling in, I just want to jump off a bridge. So the thing I'm mostly excited about for school is definitely for FCS, because that's when we start to rock with, why would I put it that there? That's why. That's when I get to rock with the kids. I sound so old. That's when I get to rock with little kids. No, I have to get my foundation. Oof, that was, oh no. Gosh darn it, I spilled. I love that. I love that for me. I love it. I'm gonna try and scoot this back in because I'm not trying to waste this. Oh my gosh, it's working! What do you talk about? I don't even know what to talk about. Ah! Okay. I really hope I don't get lost today. That would really suck if I got lost today. Mom, what happens if I get lost today? I get found? I know, but I don't know where any of my classes are, and literally like the 8th grade hallway is so confusing. There are like some 8th grade classrooms upstairs. But I'm almost done. All I have to do is get dressed. I'm almost done with my makeup. I only have to put on my eyebrow gel and then my mascara. I think I'm done. Okay, so OOTD. Top is from Garage. Bottoms, the skirt is from H&M, and these shoes are from Mosimo. Ah! You scared the crap out of me.
Yo.